If there was one wrinkle in the report card is the number of IPOs in the SGX, and this has been a bit of a sticking point by many who might look at the SGX skeptically. I believe it's 5 IPOs only during that time. Are you seeing the pipeline perhaps improving in the coming months, especially because this volatile market environment might keep a few interested listing companies, perhaps convince them perhaps to stay on the sidelines?
We have observed improved sentiment and improved pipeline importantly, and we define pipeline as issuers or transactions being worked on by the professionals. And if there are market windows that are ready or opportunities there, we hope some of this could come to the market.
Mm-hmm. So I do also want to understand about your futures and options offering and how you're looking at bringing in more participation there. You've already extended your trading hours, right, to incorporate US and European hours of trade as well. So could you elaborate a bit more on how much depth are you wanting to bring into the F&O market?
So today, futures options, we made it available in our listed FX, listed commodities, and listed equity derivatives. We've onboarded more market makers, more prop trading groups, and these are global groups that are in the business of making liquidity and prices. So we'll continue to improve our market participation, and there'll be more options and futures and options across some of our contracts.
What would you say are your top 3 priorities right now from a business standpoint?
We are going to expand our client acquisition, our cross-sell, and also our presence outside of Asia, because I think there's a lot more room for us to grow outside of Asia, and Asia continues to be a very important focus for us.
Is attracting companies from outside Asia and Southeast Asia to list in Singapore a thrust? Because we've noticed a number of companies starting to come to the SGX to perhaps conduct secondary even or dual primary listings. I'm thinking of the likes of Emperador, for instance, or even the likes of Neo and Xpeng coming to the SGX. Is this going to continue, do you think, as a focus, or will become a more prominent focus for the SGX?
Some of the companies in the pipeline are non-Singapore, non-Asian companies, but they do have a base in Singapore. Some are looking for a primary listing, some may be looking for a joint listing, and some may be looking to do a placement while they're listed outside of Asia. Okay.